You don't need a garage full of tools to make your car look just detailed. You need the right kit. Today we're counting down 5 car detailing picks that actually make a difference, starting with the most basic and ending with the one kit that can carry your entire wash day. And stick around, because the number 1 pick isn't just good, it's the one I'd keep if I had to give everything else away. Five, Eiruseed OFB001. The Eiruseed is one of those products that looks incredibly promising the moment you see it, because anything that claims it can make windshield cleaning easy instantly grabs attention. The idea is simple: a reusable window cleaning tool that helps you reach the awkward angles of your windshield and glass without twisting your wrist into a pretzel. And yes, when you first use it, it feels like you finally found the shortcut you always wanted. In testing, the biggest win here is access. Windshields, especially the inside, are annoying. The base of the glass near the dashboard is where streaks love to live, and a normal microfiber towel in your hand usually can't reach it comfortably. A dedicated cleaning tool is genuinely helpful for that, especially for quick touch-ups before driving or when the glass is hazy. That alone makes this item useful as a problem solver, not a full detailing solution. But once the initial excitement wears off, you realize the results depend heavily on what you pair it with. If you're using plain water, you'll get light dust and fingerprints off, but oily film and old interior haze can still hang around. In other words, it's a tool, not magic. To really make it work, you still need a proper glass cleaner and a clean microfiber surface. Otherwise, you end up pushing grime around instead of lifting it. That's why it feels slightly incomplete as a standalone kit. Another issue that showed up is consistency. Reusable pads sound great, but they can also become the reason you get streaks if you don't wash them often and thoroughly. One slightly dirty pad, and suddenly your cleaning pass just lays a faint smear across the glass. Four, TICARVE TCG001-Rose. The TICARVE is the famous cleaning gel approach, basically a sticky detailing putty that you press into cracks and crevices to lift dust out. And in real use, it's weirdly satisfying. The moment you dab it into an air vent or around buttons and pull it back, you can literally see it grabbing particles you didn't even realize were there. It's one of those products that makes you feel like you're cleaning deeper than a normal wipe ever could. The core strength is exactly that: crevices, dash seams, window switch edges, cup holder corners, and those tiny areas around infotainment buttons where dust packs in. This gel can lift debris without you having to stab around with a brush. It's also designed to be reusable until it darkens, and the Rose version is known for having a cherry blossom scent, which honestly makes the interior cleaning experience feel more pleasant than expected. The brand also positions it as usable for things like keyboards and other rugged surfaces, not just cars. But here's the reality: it's not a full interior detailer, and it doesn't replace wiping. It removes loose particles, dust, crumbs, grit, but it doesn't sanitize, it doesn't break down oily residue, and it won't fix sticky grime on high-touch areas like steering wheels or door pulls. After using it, you still need a proper interior cleaner to actually finish the job. Otherwise, the surfaces can look debris-free but still feel dull or dirty. Also, the gel has limits depending on surface type and condition. It's often recommended for use on surfaces that aren't wet, because moisture and gel don't mix well. If you've already sprayed cleaner into vents, or you're working in a humid, recently wiped interior, the gel can lose effectiveness or become messy. 3. All Protectant. Armor, especially in the multi-pack style, hits a sweet spot for a lot of people because it's quick, familiar, and easy to use. Some versions come as a set that includes separate wipes like protectant wipes, glass wipes, and cleaning wipes, which is appealing because it covers the basics of interior upkeep without forcing you to buy bottles, sprayers, and a pile of towels. In real use, this is the kind of product you reach for when you want the interior to look noticeably better in a short amount of time. The cleaning wipes are meant to lift dirt and debris and help restore that just detailed look, without needing a household cleaner that could be too harsh for automotive surfaces. That's a big deal, because many people accidentally damage interior trim using random cleaners from under the sink. The protectant side of Armor All is popular for a reason. It can make plastics and vinyl look richer and darker, and it gives that refreshed appearance that makes the car feel newer. It's especially useful on dashboards and door panels that have faded slightly from sun exposure. And because it's white-based, it's simple. No overspraying, no product drifting onto glass, no complicated dilution. That said, this isn't the product for a perfectionist finish. Wipes are convenient, but they can be inconsistent depending on how saturated they are. And some users won't love the feel if they prefer a more matte, factory-like interior look. Also, you have to pay attention to where you use them. Some wipes aren't recommended for use on certain surfaces like glass or paint, depending on the specific wipe type. The key is treating it as interior focused, not an everything cleaner. 2. Meguiar's G190200. Meguiar, also known as the Quick Scratch Eraser Kit, is the moment this list starts feeling more serious because now we're talking about paint correction, not just cleaning. This kit is designed for people who look at their car in the sun and can't stop seeing light scratches, scuffs, or paint transfer. And unlike a lot of scratch remover products that rely on hand rubbing until your arm gives up, this one uses a drill-mounted pad, so the tool does most of the work. The kit includes a 4-inch scratch eraser drill-mounted pad, a bottle of Scratch X, and a microfiber towel, which makes it an all-in-one solution for the specific job it targets. In testing, the drill step is the real difference maker because it keeps pressure and movement consistent, so you don't get that uneven, patchy correction you often see when someone tries to do scratch removal by hand. Used correctly, it's impressive on the right defects. Light scratches, scuffs, and paint transfer marks can fade dramatically or disappear, and the finish can look noticeably cleaner and glossier afterward. It's the kind of result that makes you walk around the car twice, just to make sure you're not imagining it. And because it's focused, it can be a great reset button before you wax or apply a sealant. But it's important to be realistic. This is not for deep scratches you can feel with a fingernail. It's also something you should use carefully, because anything involving abrasion and a drill requires control. Keep the pad flat, don't overheat the area, and don't treat it like you're sanding a wall. When you respect the process, it rewards you. 1. Chemical Guys HOL357. The Chemical Guys takes the top spot because it's the closest thing here to a complete starter system. It's a 7-piece set that's built to cover the big 3 areas that make a car look detailed: washing paint, cleaning wheels and tires, and cleaning the interior. Instead of being one hero product, it's a well-rounded kit that gives you a full routine. One reason it stands out is how beginner-friendly it feels without being cheap or gimmicky. The kit is meant to help you get started, and the way it's put together makes sense. You wash the car, you hit the wheels, then you clean up the inside. That workflow alone is what many people are missing, because when you detail randomly, the results look random too. The included products are designed for specific jobs. For wheels, it includes Diablo Wheel Cleaner, described as ready to use and safe for all wheels, made to lift brake dust, dirt, and grime. For the wash step, it includes Citrus Wash and Gloss, described as concentrated with gloss enhancers. And the listing claims one 16-ounce bottle can provide 8 to 16 washes depending on method and needs. That kind of concentration matters because it determines how long the kit stays useful after the first weekend. For the interior, the kit includes Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant, and one of the biggest selling points is that it's described as safe for a wide range of surfaces: dashboards, screens, leather, vinyl, cloth, carpet, plastic, wood trim, and more, while both cleaning and protecting. In testing-style use, that versatility is huge because it reduces the fear of using the wrong product on sensitive areas. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.